Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting tool called uDroppy. Now, if you're an entrepreneur or an individual that is thinking about entering the dropshipping market and becoming a financially independent individual, then this is definitely the video for you. The purpose of our video is to make sure that you always have a step ahead, a competitive advantage in the industry, so you can always scale your business and become financially independent. uDroppy is absolutely brilliant. This is the ultimate one-stop solution for the modern entrepreneur, guys, and they're here to help you start, optimize, and scale your e-commerce brand by giving you an easy access to manufacturers, fulfillment centers, and shipping carriers worldwide. You can start to create your free account quite simply by clicking on the button over here by creating your free account, or you can click in the description below and follow the link over there. This is the only one platform that you will ever need, because you can leverage uDroppy to source the products that you want to sell, import them to your store, manage and fulfill the orders, optimize the cost, and scale to an international brand and a private label, all from a single console. So you can connect your online store, and you can connect up to 10 Shopify stores to the uDroppy platform. It's as simple, easy as that. All you need to do is head over to the store management section. After you've done that, you can start importing products as well, and you can browse out of the catalog to find the best products for your niche and push them to your store with just one click. Once you receive an order on your store, you'll receive it too, because you can manage your sales through the orders in the pay section. And one of the things that really makes it stand out is the fact that you can leverage the platform to import drop shippable products and generate sales first and pay products and fulfillment later, meaning you can easily start selling before you buy the product, and you can make sure that you have those products that people want to buy, so you can keep your fixed costs and your risk factor as low as possible, and your customers will get their orders while your risk stays very low. You can optimize your operations as well, guys, whether you're just testing or running multiple stores with different suppliers. The uDroppy platform will help you manage and optimize your operations, so you can focus on what really matters for growth, marketing, and sales. And one of the things that I personally feel is crucial to be mentioned over here is that this is an opportunity of a lifetime. We are living in the internet age, guys, and in today's time and period, the technology that we tend to have is absolutely endless, and we can harness this tool and the power that we have of this tool to work in our favor. That could help us scale our brand without limits or borders. So if you want to scale, it's not just about sales. As soon as your business is consistent, they will help you go to the next level with private labeling, customization, packaging, local warehouses, cash on delivery, and other incredible opportunities that arise in front of you thanks to uDroppy. Now, you can easily connect the uDroppy to your sales channels either on Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or even Wix, guys, which is coming very soon. But one of the major things that really makes a difference is the fact that with just one click of the button below, you schedule an online call with their international service team, and you can get your questions answered while defining a growth goal together. That is the level of support and guidance that is provided by uDroppy, and that is the reason the clients absolutely love them. You can join over 45,000 entrepreneurs to ensure that you're one step ahead. Now, if you click on product over here, you'll see that you have the product, tours, and the features. Now, I want to talk about the features because I personally feel features are one of the most important things when it comes to the ecosystem that's helping you at every step of your journey. Now, you can easily start by creating an e-commerce business that has never been easier, because you can source your dropshipping product and sync your store and start selling them. From the logistics and the operations would be nightmare and really expensive if you're not using uDroppy, and you can easily scale internationally and obviously create a brand in that process with their OPM, the orders management platform, which is very unique because you manage global orders from one single dashboard. With the order synchronization, you can order from different sales channels that are synced automatically, and the thing that's quite unique about them is the fact that you can easily develop all these methodologies in one go, either be multi-store fulfillment platform, the ordering tracking as well, because you can make sure that you can manage all the tracking of your account in one place. You can sell products, you can source the products as well, and you can find the request products to dropship from suppliers across Asia, Europe, and the US, and take advantage of the sell first and buy later model to make your cash flow work better. And obviously, once you combine all those elements together, you can simply unify the invoicing that's going to helping your accounting team, even when multiple stores are owned by different companies that are managed by uDroppy, because suppliers from different countries able to offer different service depending on your need, from a standardized to highly customized options that are available. So get access to the merchant success manager, who is a highly trained e-com expert that's able to support you at every step of your e-commerce journey. And I personally feel when you have a mentorship of that level with this platform, you can always make sure that you will always do the right decision, make the right decision, apply the right methodology, execute the right strategy, and ensure that you will be always developing in the right direction. And when you're able to do that, you'll be able to scale your business with the peace of mind that you're going to grow eventually to a super element of a drop shipping company in this particular niche. If the fast worldwide shipping with tracking numbers automatically imported to your local stores, the local warehouses are hyper fast shipping that are going to be available. So the main element over here, guys, that if you need cash on delivery, if you need a virtual warehouse, everything is going to be available. And the virtual warehouse is one of the most important features that is available with uDroppy, because I personally feel that if you have a virtual warehouse, if you have the ability to keep certain items and have the essence of that item available, you can really make a massive difference. From dropshipping capable suppliers from Asia, EU, and the US, and obviously you can get suppliers from anywhere in the globe. And one of the best things is the fact that you can get winning products and strategies, because your merchant success manager helps you find the winning products to sell and great strategies to increase your sales. Now, looking at the pricing, I personally feel that they've done a wonderful job when it comes to the pricing. You can choose a plan that's right for you, and their plans are tailored to your needs, from launching your first store to scaling your brand globally. Now, if you want to pay monthly, there's 3 methodologies available: the hobby, the hustler, and the pro. The hobby is completely free. You get 1 store, 5 orders per week, a help center, email support, fast shipping, tracking numbers, bulk orders, and automated invoicing. If you go for the hustler for $29 per month, you get everything from the hobby plan plus 50 orders per week, chat support, access to premium suppliers for sourcing requests, and My Grand Venture Academy. And if you want to go for the pro, which is the most popular, for $149 per month, you get everything from the hustle plan plus the unlimited stores, unlimited orders, and a dedicated merchant success manager with 20 sourcing requests per month and a private label with a virtual warehouse and cash on delivery. If you're gonna pay annually, this actually gets decreased, and you're billed $24.16 per month for the hustler and $124.16 per month if you're billed yearly. So you can clearly see the difference over here in the price, guys, but the elements and the support that you get is exactly the same. And there's so many different features that are available that you can check out, from the order management, from the logistics and operation, from support and consulting, that you're able to get. And these are individuals that have used and scaled their business and made millions of dollars in the process. And all the plans are included with automated invoicing, managing from the mobile, product full refunds, and multiple suppliers. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, guys, you need any support, any assistance, any clearance, or any help whatsoever, you can always drop me a message in the comment section down below, and I will be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you like our videos, guys, do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, easy it is to find and use uDroppy, because uDroppy is that platform that can help you scale your business and become financially independent, where you can break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial peace of mind that you always wanted, where you can sit back, relax on your couch, and see the money roll in. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.